The new year 2024 began with a massive earthquake for Japan. Meanwhile, Coast Guard pilot Koji prepared for a critical relief mission. At the same time, JAL Flight 516 descended towards Tokyo, its cockpit crew configured unusually. The massive A350 made its final approach, lining up with runway 34R. On the ground, taxiway C was congested with planes waiting for takeoff. In the tower, controller Akira juggled the busy traffic flow in his mind. Two aircraft on converging paths, guided by voices over the radio. A simple frequency change meant the DHC-8 missed a crucial piece of information. Pilot Koji heard number 1 and thought the runway was clear for him. Through the head-up display, the runway looked clear and inviting. The DHC-8 crossed the forbidden line, entering the live runway. From the tower, the scene appeared calm, masking the impending disaster. A safety system flashed a warning, but it had cried wolf too many times before. 3 seconds after landing, the impossible came into view. The 8th rundown gave it. The A350 slammed into the Coast Guard plane at high speed. Inside the A350, passengers were thrown, but the cabin shell protected them. With its engines destroyed, the jet careened off the runway. 43 seconds after impact, the giant finally stopped moving. In the cockpit, critical systems had failed. The evacuation order couldn't be sent. Flight attendants took charge, making life or death decisions without instructions. 3 minutes and 19 seconds after stopping, escape finally began. All 367 passengers funneled towards just 2 usable exits. At the 7-minute mark, a third escape route was opened, easing the bottleneck. The captain ensured no one was left behind before abandoning his ship. The world's first total loss of an A350 burned fiercely into the night. By morning, the scale of the destruction was fully visible. The smaller plane bore the full force of the collision. The truth lay hidden inside the indestructible black boxes. The investigation pieced together the tragic convergence. Hold short at C5. The cockpit recorder revealed the fatal misunderstanding in Koji's mind. For 1 minute and 14 seconds, the warning light glowed unnoticed. From the approaching jet's viewpoint, the small plane was nearly invisible. The crew was busy with standard procedures, their attention divided. This accident was not one failure, but many layers of defenses lining up. The ultimate goal of any investigation is to ensure it never happens again. The Coast Guard plane was on a humanitarian mission, carrying aid to earthquake victims. At 5:31 p.m., the Coast Guard plane began its fateful journey. From the north, the passenger jet began its approach to Haneda. The training pilot was flying the plane, with the captain supervising. The safety pilot's role was to monitor communications and assist. Haneda's runway and taxiway layout was complex, especially at peak times. The Coast Guard plane taxied through a congested maze of waiting aircraft. The co-pilot could see they were in a line of aircraft all waiting to take off. The controller was managing multiple aircraft in a carefully choreographed sequence. 2 aircraft were now just minutes away from catastrophe. The A350 prepared for landing, its gear now down and locked. The captain believed they had been cleared to enter the runway. Despite instructions to hold short, the plane continued forward. From the cockpit, the runway appeared empty and ready for them. The Coast Guard plane now sat motionless on an active runway. The A350 crew was focused on their landing procedures. The electronic display provided all the necessary landing information. The giant airliner was now moments away from touchdown. The landing lights revealed what had been hidden in darkness. At that moment, 2 worlds collided at over 100 knots. The force of the impact tore both aircraft apart. Passengers were suddenly faced with the reality of an emergency. One engine was torn from its mount and destroyed.
The pilots fought to control the uncontrollable aircraft.
After sliding over 1,400 meters, the nightmare journey ended.
The cockpit was a scene of confusion and urgency.
Critical communication systems had been severed in the impact. The cabin crew began their emergency procedures, despite the chaos. Passengers helped each other, showing remarkable calm. She realized that exit was not safe for evacuation. With systems failed, everything had to be done manually. The escape system worked perfectly despite the damage. The race against time and spreading fire had begun.
Clear guidance was essential in the smoke-filled cabin.
Once outside, passengers moved quickly from the danger.
The crew worked to ensure everyone was getting out.
This discovery would significantly speed up the evacuation. With 2 exits working, the evacuation accelerated. Special care was needed for those who needed help. After 10 minutes, the cabin was finally empty. The captain made sure everyone was out before saying himself. Emergency responders worked to control the inferno. The injured received immediate attention on the scene. Morning light showed what the night had hidden. The painstaking work of understanding what happened began. The new material presented new challenges for investigators. The Coast Guard plane was almost unrecognizable. The investigation reconstructed every word that was spoken. Written records confirmed what was said and when. The cockpit voice recorder captured this critical moment. We are #1 for landing. Confirmed, Captain. Technology designed to help may have actually hindered. Modern accident theory explains how multiple failures combine. This was not an isolated incident, but part of a pattern. The data reveals a growing problem in global aviation. Experts have been warning about these risks for years. New technology could prevent similar tragedies. Simple physical changes can make a big difference. Pilot training is adapting based on lessons learned. The tragedy prompted urgent reviews of safety rules. The human cost of the accident was profound. The survivor faced a long physical and emotional recovery. And for 367 passengers, this was a second chance at life. The public awaited answers about what went wrong. Infrastructure changes were proposed to address root causes. The critical instruction simply wasn't heard or understood. For over a minute, the plane sat where it shouldn't have been. Not all safety systems are created equal. The black box data told the story from the A350's perspective. The controller was managing complex traffic, while one critical warning went unnoticed. Even professionals can become overwhelmed with information. New aircraft materials have both advantages and disadvantages.
Personal stories highlighted the human element of the disaster. I didn't think we would make it out alive.
The industry learned valuable lessons about evacuation procedures. Against all odds, every passenger on the A350 survived. Their sacrifice in service to others was remembered. Strict procedures exist to minimize distractions during critical times. What's visible changes dramatically during the final approach. Each link in the chain was necessary for the tragedy to occur. Aviation continues, made safer by lessons learned from tragedy.